Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body part in your video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to highlight this body part using this red background image, and then I'm going to add this image to my project, to my CapCut timeline or CapCut track, okay, like this, and make the duration same with the video duration. And then we're going to go to the mask. We're going to add mask, and then I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask and also the position as well. You can put the mask on the body part you want to highlight like this. Okay, and then we can adjust the feather. Okay, perfect. And then to make it more natural, you can try to blend the mask with your video. Go to the basic menu, and then you can activate the blend, and you can choose the blend mode here. And I'm just going to select, for example, darken, or let's try screen. Oops. I think I'm gonna go with darken or overlay. Okay, I'm just going to choose the darken, and this is the final result. If the body part is moving, I recommend you to use keyframe so the highlight will follow the moving body part. Okay, and that's all the way to highlight body part using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.